Welcome to Chemistry Sea World.
Hi everyone, welcome to Chemistry Sea World. After a long gap, I'm going to be taking another class for acid bases. What I going to be left over there. So today I'm going to be continue that acid bases chapter. So before going to that, so please subscribe my channel and share videos, like the videos. Thank you. So today we are going to be discuss here importance of pH in our daily life. Yeah, so the pH value we are going to be seen in our daily life, but we didn't get to know that is a pH changes. So what will happen when the pH ranges will be going to be changes, then we are going to be see one by one. Okay, so in that first one is pH of in our digestive system. pH of in our digestive system. So what is happening in our digestive system? Generally what we are going to be taking the food and all, it is going to be digest by which is going to be produced in the stomach by acid that is called HCl. So HCl is going to be produced in our stomach, and this will be is going to be help us to digest our food. Okay, to digest our food. So when we have indigestion, at that time we are going to be produce that gastric juice. What is that? Gastric juice. So generally the gastric juice range of pH will be so 1.0 to 2.0. This is a range of pH value of what you can call gastric juice. Okay now, so when it is going to be less than that of 1.4, the gastric juice when it is going to be have less than 1.4, at that time we are going to be feel that irritation, what you can call burning sensation, paining and all, we are going to be get indigestion. So in our stomach when we are going to be there will be a changes in our pH values, then we are going to be get this type of what you can call pain, irritation and indigestion problems we are going to be getting. So due to change in the pH value. Okay na? So due to change in the pH value, so this is about what you can call pH of in our digestive system and pH of in our digestive system. Okay na? Right. The next topic is, are plants and animals are pH sensitive? Yes, it is true. Why? Because we are going to be observe that acid rains. Acid rains. So acid rains the pH value contain that 5.6. So when it is acid rains flow on the what you can call into the rivers and all, so then what happen, aquatic animals which are going to be present in the rivers and what you can call ponds and what are going to be present aquatic animals, so they are going to be survive very rarely. Why? Because when the acid rain flow into the rivers and all, so there will be lowers the pH value, so that means acidity is going to be increases. So it is what you can, it is too difficult to survive the aquatic animals in the what we can call water. Even our body contains that is the pH ranges that is 7.0 to 7.8. So when we are going to be changes what we can call somewhat changes our blood changes pH values, it is going to be deviate from this what you can call what we are going to be given the number. So we are going to be get somewhat diseases and all. So that's why, so our body blood is going to be maintain this what you can call pH range, that is 7.0 to 7.8. Okay na? So we can say that our plants and animals are pH sensitive. So yes, it is very what you can call, we can say that is a true statements. So now we are going to be see that pH of our tooth decay. So what about tooth decay? Decay means what? We can say that. So we are going to be said generally we are going to be seeing the ads sensitive what you can sensitive ad, that is Sensodyne paste. You are going to be seeing that ad. In that video has going to be given information about how we are going to be get that pain and all, right? So actually how we are going to be get the pain and all, what is the reason behind of that? So generally what we are going to be eat the food in by mouth. So generally we are going to be chewing that by our teeth, right? So when we are going to be chewing by our teeth, then what happen, we have that what we are going to, after eating the food, there is going to be leftover some food in our in between the what you can call teeth. Then what happened here, that whatever left food is going to be in between the teeth, that will undergo for decomposition. So when it will undergo for decomposition, so there will be a increases of the acidity values. So that's why, so generally the tooth decay will start below 5.5. So the pH range below 5.5, what is going to be there? So then when it is going to be start tooth decay. Okay now, so tooth decay, why? Because it is going to be start when we are going to be eat sweet and all, and otherwise cool substance. When we are going to be eat, we are going to be get very painful, very somewhat what you can call burning, all we are going to be get and all. So why? Because there will be a change in the pH value of tooth decay. So that is 5.5 be less than, when it is undergo for less than 5.5, we are going to be have what you can call tooth decay. Okay now, so we will get pain and all. Okay, so that's why it is better to avoid the tooth decay by brushing the daily 2 times. So if it is possible, after eating every time, it is going to be, if you are going to be cleaning your what you can call teeth by with water, so then it is very comfortable. So we are not going to be face that problem which is going to be came out by tooth decay. Okay now, so why it is going to be caused? Because the pH value is going to be below the 5.5, sorry, 5.5. okay, so then these are going to be have somewhat what you can call pH changes in our daily life. Next one is self-defense by animals. Yeah, how self-defense they are going to be, see that we know that very well, that honeybee, when honeybee is going to be sting, when honeybee is going to be bite our skin, then it is going to be sting it. So sting with somewhat inject in our body. Sting with the sting, it is going to be inject somewhat into our body. What does that mean? So at the time we are going to be feel very irritation, burning sensation, somewhat painful also. So why? What is a honeybee is going to be injected in our body by the sting, that is methanoic acid. What it is going to be? Inject methanoic acid. So when it is going to be injected methanoic acid, we feel that burning sensation, somewhat what you can call paining and all. So when we are going to be use mild base, that is sodium bicarbonate, so after that we get relief, feel relief. Okay, so that's why we are going to be use this. Why? Because self defense by what we can call animals also we use this, what we can call pH of acids. Okay, right. Next one is soil test. How we are going to be test the soil? So generally we know that we have a fields, we have a crops and all, right? We have a fields. Take a soil into the test tube, about 2 grams. About 2 grams soil we have to take and add 5 ml of water. Then we can test with the blue litmus or red litmus papers. Then we can identify the soil nature, that is whether it is acid or base or neutral in nature. So then we can get it that So accordingly, we are going to be have that fertilizers and pesticides. So to what you can call give the better crops and better yields of the what you can call crops. Okay, better yields we are going to be get by using soil test, and we are going to be identify the nature of the soil by acid or base or neutral. So we are going to be use accordingly the fertilizers and pesticides, and we are going to be get by best results by this soil test and all. Okay na? So this is what you can call pH of in our daily life. I think you are going to be understood this topic for today, and I hope that you are enjoying this video. So please subscribe my channel, and thank you.